Hello, travelers, this is Snake and Hammer, and we are still continuing this adventure. Literally, this is seconds after ending the first video. One down. Two. Why is Springtrap scared of that? Like, I didn't mean to do that. Why is he scared of huge spaces? Does that mean he gets off in tight spaces? Weird. I'm just gonna keep on farming for now until I think I'm high enough in level. I think I'm just gonna have to, like, dive into it and hope I don't get attacked. Or fucked up. It's a possibility, but I'm gonna have to risk it, most likely. A key shard! What is the point of these key shards? I'm wondering. Wait, is that permanent? Oh yeah, it's permanent. That means that this entire time I've been weak. Alright, let's try to fight one of these things. These level 2 bastards. Inhale! 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 Alright. Let's just try to straight up attack it. Skills. Backup bash. I'm gonna try that, and then afterward, anti-audio. Let's try that again. 117, that didn't go down that much. Alright, it's dead. 500 experience just for one of these things? Jesus Christ. Alright, well, we're gonna try to get through level 3. Is that another Bonnie?
Freddy, my fucking soul is gone.
Oh.
Freddy, my fucking soul is gone.
At least it's not your head. Was that too soon? Oh, Foxy.
Jack the pirate, masturbate and get me some fucking privacy.
Well, you're the one fucking flashing in the hallway, so you need to calm down. Why aren't I getting attacked? I guess level 3s don't have enemies in it? I don't want to speak too soon, but that might be the case. Which is very lame. Alright, I'm going down then. Mango! How you doing?
Please buy me an esoteric. No. But I need it. No. But I need it. No. But I need it.
No.
No. But I need it.
No.
But I need it. No.
No.
But I need it.
No.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Really? They had to give an ode to the second game. Oh, the Omegas! Oh, no wonder. I didn't even pay attention to the power. Let me get out of here before I die. Oh, the wise run. I guess I'm gonna have to fight 2s until I feel comfortable enough in... What's up with pizza? Run. Yes, I'm safe. I wonder if I can... Wait, what's the point of the key shards then? Oh, fuck. Please let me... Oh. I'm out of this bitch. No. No, 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 no. What is the point of this?
Inhale my dog.
Alright, well, I've stocked up on stuff, but I still don't understand what I'm supposed to be doing. Am I just supposed to get to the room? Because if so, that sucks. Because there's nothing else to do. Somnuous Strike. What does that do? Actually, skills. Alright, Demolition is a weak combo. Springtrap takes defensive stand. Offensive stand is aggression. Quick step. Somnuous Strike with a mesmerizing strike might put the foe to sleep. I guess I'm supposed to level up until I feel comfortable enough to do something. I need quarters though. Alright, so the key item is a poster. Then what am I supposed to do? I'm just gonna keep on farming. Oh, fuck. Oh, I'm screwed. Wait, where did I save at? Alright, I'm fine then. Alright, got fucked up. What's up with these key shards? Am I just supposed to bring them to Balloon Boy eventually? Like, I'm not understanding the point of this game. Alright. So, if the map loops back around, the vents are probably a possible entrance into the main... the security office room. So I guess I'm just supposed to level up till I'm high enough to go and fight in there? I'm just assuming there's a boss there. I had to assume the worst in this game, because you never know with a Five Nights at Fuckboys game. I'm tired of these hats, but I can't handle the next ones. Oh yeah, did I use the... I need more power-ups. Or attack-ups. Hold on, let me check status. Attack is 61, defense is 42. It's probably one of the reasons I'm getting messed up so much. Wonder if I keep on messing with this long enough.
Devour my hot bird ass ready.
Maybe something will happen.
Devour my hot bird ass ready.
Oh, it's reverse. Okay, so the left entrance is the exit, technically. So... when I go down... Oh... I'm wondering what happens when I go to the end. Let's test this out. And hope that I make it. Pray I make it, guys. Come on, come on, come on. Shit, corner. Please let me escape. Yes. Mangle. What the? Ooh. With all 5 in hand and both gatekeepers dead, the seal shall be broken, inside you'll be led. What the fuck does that even mean? get 5 key
Inhale my
parts?
dong and reach McGrath.
No. That would shatter my fragile heterosexuality.
Ah, nice way of saying it. Toy Freddy shell was found. I'm assuming it's a part. Shell of Toy Freddy's head. Please. I'm done. That's a part. But where would it go? Is the question. Well, at least I know what's at the end. I'm just gonna keep on trying to fight level 2s for now, until I'm ready to get some quarters. Maybe I'll get some quarters from them. I need to fight, like, 1 at a time. Let's see. What the fuck was that?
I fucking hate.
Oh. Is there like an item or something? Oh, I can take on this. Alright, let's try this. Alright, let's just keep on screaming at it. Yes! It's 1 down. Alright. So, maybe I can try to play all the out of the order games.
Fuck yes, let's do.
Still need quarters.
Wait. Fuck. It needs quarter. I have token.
How do they even have tokens as a currency? Like, what do they do with quarters? I'm gonna try to play it anyway. Please let me run. I'm just gonna start mash. What is this? It's a blanket. Oh. So I'm supposed to give that to Foxy? Okay. Oh, and the Toy Freddy head is supposed to go for the regular Freddy. Or Toy Freddy can devour the hot ass.
Freddy, my fucking cell is gone.
Well,
Use this fucking ragged.
No, I only accept license.
Use this fucking.
No, I
only license. Oh, okay. How about the poster of Mangle? I'm gonna just look around for shit to pick up. Okay, I gotta run from this. So, maybe if I talk around?
Devour my hot bird ass ready.
Or maybe BB has a special offer? Ah, these hats are really starting to get on my nerves. I know I'm supposed to be excited about killing stuff, but maybe I can get them on my team eventually? I want to have 10 of everything. Alright. Only official merchandise. So I'm gonna look around, see what I can pick up. Another key shard. Why do I have 6? How many shards are there? Like 10? One for each cam or something along those lines?
I have a debilitating... I cannot...
Alright, we're gonna just keep on fucking shit up. Maybe eventually he'll be able to attack 3 times. But in the meantime... Another key shard. Just gonna look around for... items. I might have to walk around in areas that I'm not comfortable, well, high enough in level for. And that kind of terrifies me. Official Freddy merchandise. How am I supposed to make the blanket Freddy merchandise? I don't want anybody telling me. I don't want to look it up. I'm too proud for that. Too proud to look up information for it. Okay. What's that? Oh, there was a chest there. Huh. After that, I'm going to try a stunning swing. Got amped up. Alright, now I can just scream at it. Yes. Anti-Vera. What is... there's always something that he's learning. Oh, the accuracy. That's actually kind of useful. No. Don't care about it right now. I'm trying... I can't use, like, key shard parts or something? I wonder. I have an idea. Never tried going up this way. Oh, no. It just makes you do that. That's not fair. Okay. First, I'm gonna heal myself, and I'm going to try to look for items up in areas that I'm not supposed to be. Okay, I'm just gonna have 8 of everything except presents. It's probably in between the dark spaces and shit. Or maybe no. I would notice what I need to pick up. Only official merchandise. Why is Foxy always masturbating is the question. Oh, I like those hats. They remind me of pirates. Or Peter Pan. I'm just gonna keep on trying. I'm gonna get that head.
Please buy me. No, but I'm no, but I'm no, but I'm no, but I need no.
I would get it for you if I had quarters.
My Jesus fucking Christ,
Inhale my dog.
No, that would shatter.
Inhale my...
No, that would...
Inhale...
No, that would...
Inhale my...
I'm trying to inhale.
Inhale...
No, that would...
Inhale my dog.
No, that would shatter my...
Inhale my...
No, that would shatter...
Okay. Damn it. I shouldn't have even... I'm fucked. Why can't he guard? Yes, no, I need to get good. Maybe I shouldn't have saved BB so early on. Well, now I know where I need to go. These coils are really... Oh, fuck. Are you serious? Thank you. It's like terrifying me in this game. Omegas. They're terrifying. I wonder.
Fuck my luck. It's log 5 times. This isn't just. This is
What?
advanced. One
Wait.
day office. One day.
Why would you walk all the way over there and... Damn you, Springtrap. You and your delightful British accent. Hold on. Items. I want to see... It's obviously something that I'm going to need, since it's a key item. But what is it going to be used for, is the question. Maybe I can give it to...
Freddy, my fucking soul is gone.
Okay.
Freddy, my fucking soul is gone.
Okay, get over it. Fuck. Fuck. Ugh, I should have healed up when I was going up against those enemies. Now, I'm gonna try it again so I can get my items. Get that toy head back. Now I don't have to play around nearly as much. As long as I don't get attacked against the terrible Omegas, I'll be fine. I'm gonna try seeing if I can work that way. Thank you. Now I'm probably gonna get attacked a lot. Figured. Thank you. Alright, down. I'm almost there. I'm almost safe. Come on. Yes! Alright, let me heal myself up.
Devour my hot-bird ass ready.
Oh.
Find Jesus
Toy Freddy.
fucking Christ, I'm sick of your shit already. Inhale.
Devour my hot-bird ass ready. Devour my hot-bird ass ready. Devour my
Oh,
hot-bird
the perfect
ass ready. Devour
pillar.
my hot-bird ass ready. Devour my hot-bird ass ready. Devour my hot-bird ass ready. Devour my
What do I do?
ass ready. Devour my hot-bird ass ready. Devour my hot-bird ass ready.
I'm terrified about what happened.
What?
What? A mysterious... I'm assuming the mysterious portal is a vent.
Inhale my.
Because it would make the most sense. I'm hoping it's a bent back and handle. Because that would make the most sense as a portal appearing. I have to get good, as Cranky would say. Oh, Satan portal. I'm going to save here and go inside. Is this like a flashback? Oh, a minigame. Are you gonna say anything, Springtrap?
What?
What? Yeah. Okay, well, going to the left. Okay, I can't do anything with Mangle. Maybe I can, like, find the soul of a character or something? Is this, like, flashbacks of a mysterious past? Oh, Foxy. He's decommissioned. I'm not understanding what's going on. Is this where the... He's about to find out what's going on with Springtrap? Maybe. No, I'm not going up there yet. You iffy piece of shit. I'm just gonna go up here and hope for the best. Oh, nope. Guess I gotta go to the right. Yeah. Oh, Chico, what's up?
Devour my hot.
Engage the chicken mother.
Alright, let's hope this works. Items, heal up, skills, stunning on Phantom Chica. Engage items, medium pizza on yourself, scream at the hat. That's one hat now. Scream at Phantom Thing, skills, demolition, items, medium pizza, soda. Birthday present on myself. Alright. Skills. Actually, items. Medium soda. Skills. This is a healing time. Alright, skills. Let's try this backup dash. So I need to heal, and then I need to... Alright, the poison went away. Alright, heal, and give yourself a soda. I'm gonna get fucked up if I don't hurry up. I'm gonna lower her speed. Alright, items, medium, skills, demolition. heal. Another medium aggression, quick set. Medium pizza, skills. Stunning swing. Birthday present and heal. I need to stop doing so much and just keep on attacking her. I need to get higher in level before I fight her, because I'm probably going to lose this match. Okay, I need to figure out a way to get rid of the balance. Way harder than I expected. Just keep on attacking. Actually, what I wanted to try to do is go up. So I'm going to check that out, and then afterward I'm going to quit it. So, I guess after you beat those versions, you end up getting a character, maybe? That'd be useful. But I'm wondering what that bloodstain is.
What? Get crunk.
Get crunk. Oh, it's a bottle. I thought it was blood. Okay. I'm gonna go up here.
No.
Why not?
No.
Why not? Go.
No.
You're going!
No.
Just go, Jesus fucking Christ, I'm sick of your shit. You're going.
No.
Well then, fuck off. Alright, if you like this video, leave a like, subscribe maybe, or leave a comment down below. And as always, y'all have a great day. Bye.